A very good afternoon, sir. Greetings from College Dunia. We are very, very happy to have you on board. And before getting into the interview, I would really want you to give a brief introduction about yourself.
Myself, Anand Kumar Tripathi, Chairman Krishna Engineering College. I am basically teacher, and previously I started coaching classes at the IIT coaching classes at the central level, and after that the KPS unit already that given a total environment of education in Bhilai. After that I started this engineering college to develop all these things.
According to you, sir, what has been the vision and mission of KEC?
When I started Krishna Engineering College, my first vision that to how to give the different engineers from others engineering college. Only because of that, here the environment of the Chhattisgarh to provide only engineers basically, and they are practically failed, which I developed here, how to develop practical knowledge among our students that in future they develop their personalities and to helpful in the society.
That's really, really great, sir. What has been the challenges you have been facing?
Challenges at present I am facing that the total environment now students don't want actually to study or to continue in engineering college, but I am 100% sure that Krishna Engineering College is a different college which from others, and to develop all these facilities, everything facilities which develop in the global platform, which I am ready to provide here itself in Krishna Engineering College.
How is Krishna Engineering College different from other colleges?
That's we are planning, or we are ready that industrial training first of all, and how to relate it this engineering college from the global area like the Singapore, others, so that and give the data facility, artificial intelligence, एक separate coaching चाहता हूँ, और उस separate coaching से हमारे कॉलेज की एक पहचान जो होगी वो अलग होगी. ये मैं आपको 100% प्रॉमिस करके देता हूं कि इन फ्यूचर नेक्स्ट टू 10 years that only the Krishna Engineering College will run here in the Chhattisgarh.
Sir, very, very great to hear. Where do you see Krishna Engineering College in the next 10 years?
If everything is okay, I am sure that as the Krishna group of institution like KPS, if within hardly 10 to 15 years at the top educationists here, and they develop here in the Chhattisgarh, now at present that is the first school level. Similarly, I want that engineering college will come 100% sure that at a time will come, or within not 10 years, within 5 years we have to develop a very good engineering college and given challenges to all the good institutes of India which are running at present now.
That's really great. Thank you so much.